Jatend migao mochung' ne wechego mag omenda John Mbadi loso kama wadayo dhoge achiel kachiel kowuok e apisi mare. We wawinjane kako loso.
And a lot of things. One, you are aware that we have a very high debt level in this country, and debt servicing cost is not is very high, and at the same time, the expenditures are increasing. So the ballooning of expenditure, the demands for resources, all this you balance with the expectation of Kenyans that they don't want to be overtaxed, which any citizen of any country would not want to be overtaxed. So you balance the revenue requirements vis-a-vis the fact that Kenyans are feeling that they are being overtaxed, and at the same time you have also to spur economic growth. And it was we are preparing a budget when we've just come out of that civil unrest, and so for 3 months the economy was shut down, and at the same time there are other geopolitical dynamics. We have the war in Middle East, we have the war in Ukraine, which is affecting supply chain, and at the same time again there is change of leadership in the US, which is a world leading economy, coming up with the different tariffs, a lot of which is hurting the entire world economy. And so I came into the office when there were lots happening, both in the domestic economy and also externally, and it was not a very